Hello everyone, this is Shreya. I am going to explain about independent events. As we seen in previous video about dependent events, if you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it. Link is in description and also you can find it from upper right corner. We have seen that probability of E1 and E2 equals to probability of E1 into probability of E2 given that E1 already happened. Here E1 and E2 are independent events, means both events are not depending upon each other. Means that event E1 happening not going to affect event E2 happening. That's why we can write it like this. So this is the formula of independent events. That is probability of E1 and E2 equals to probability of E1 into probability of E2. So we can say that two events are said to be independent if the knowledge of one event happening does not affect the probability of other event happening. Let's take an example. If we toss the coin 2 times, then probability of getting 2 heads. Here we can see that these events are independent events because once we toss the coin, whatever outcome we get in first flip is not going to affect whatever outcome we are going to get in the second flip. So that's why these two events are independent events. We can say that let's say E1 is the event which says that getting head in first flip, and E2 is the event which says that getting head in second flip. Here we can see that E1 and E2 are independent events because the second time whatever result you will get, that will completely independent of first time whatever result you will get when we toss a coin 2 times. So we can say that probability of E1 and E2 are this one, and since both events are independent, so we can write it like this. And we know that probability of getting head in first flip equal to 1 by 2 and probability of getting head in second flip is 1 by 2. So we got this one. Let's take one more example. That is, we have box and inside this box we have 3 green balls and 2 red balls. And the question is, in box we have 3 green balls and 2 red balls. We will drop a ball and then we will place it back in the box and pick next ball to drop. Means we are performing the experiment with replacement. Then find the probability. We will drop green ball first, then red ball. Here we can see that these events are independent because once we drop the ball, then we put it back and then perform the next drop. That's why these events are independent. If we drop the ball and we throw it away, then both events become independent. But this keyword with replacement makes these events independent because initially the sample space size is 5, and when we perform one drop, that is first drop operation, means we drop this ball and we put it back, then again the sample space size become 5. Therefore the next drop not going to got affected by first drop. That's why these events are independent. So we can write it like this. Probability of getting probability of dropping green ball first and red ball in second time equals to this one. And since both events are independent, so we can write it like this. And there are total 3 green balls and sample space size is 5. That's why we are writing 3 by 5. And once we drop it, and since we are going to put it back, that's why the sample space size remains same for the second drop also. And there are 2 red balls and sample space size is 5. Therefore we got this one. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Stay connected with me. Thank you all. Thank you so much.